Hey guys, so it's me. I'm back. It is so funny. So I haven't made a video in almost, well, about 2 years now. And I have on the same color eye shadow and braids again since I last been shooting videos. This is not something that I tried to do. It's just a coincidence, I guess. And I told myself if I go ahead and do my hair and do my makeup, I gotta wait another month or 2 or 10 before I shoot another video. So I didn't want to do that. I wanted to come back and, get it together. So hi, I'm back. Hair looks bad, but I'm here. That's all that matters. So I've been gone for a number of reasons, but I'm getting back into doing me. I actually took some time off because I went back to work. Yes, mama had to make some money. God bless you. My son is here with me, he's always with me. So I took some time off. I went back to work. So I actually went for a new job, and that job required a lot of digging in my business. So I decided to I have makeup under my nose. Oh gosh, I gotta watch that. I actually decided to turn off my page because I didn't want that job, looking into my life and basically judging me for something they don't know nothing about. So I went and I basically just turned my YouTube page off. Didn't post anything new just because. And then I was speaking to my mom and some people, and they were like, why don't you just go ahead and start it back? It's time. And I said, you know what, yes, it's been time. So my makeup isn't fresh because today actually was my sister's video shoot. She has a song out called OnlyFans. It's streaming everywhere. This is an old shirt. I had jumped into this after the outfit I had on. But I'm fresh off that set. I did my makeup and it looks horrible now because I was sweating. It was hot outside, things like that. But I just want to tell you guys, I'm back, and what I've been doing. So I had slowed down with hair and makeup because I went back to work. But this is killing me that this black. Oh, this is not even makeup. This is eyelash glue under my nose. This looks gross. I actually was, working. I'm still a full-time mom, as you can see. He in his zone. Full-time mom, full-time employee for the city, full-time wife. First of all, full-time lover of God, first and foremost. And on top of those things, working and help providing, being a wife and everything, I'm now managing my sister's music career. Don't know how that happened. Don't know how that happened. But, she got talent. And I promised her if she gave me one song that I just couldn't stop bumping, I'll set her up. And she gave me that song, OnlyFans, and I'm in love with that song, like in love with the song. So we shot that today. Besides managing her and all the other stuff I've been doing, I am a college student. I went back to school, thank God. And my husband's in school too, because he don't want to tell nobody. But we are in college and maintaining a job and a household. I don't know how we doing that, but we doing it. But I just wanted to just give you guys a recap of where I've been and why I've been gone. And my mom and my friend of mine's chosen Sheku, Kev Kamara, and a friend of mine's that passed away, my baby. They tell me a lot of positive things, and it's not that I don't believe anything like that. I do definitely believe it, but sometimes you just need some encouragement. Thank you, baby. Sometimes you just need some encouragement just to do anything. So I went back and decided to go revamp my page and just give it another try. So I'm actually gonna do makeup tomorrow. I'm gonna upload this tonight just to give you guys a little glimpse of where I've been. But I'm gonna upload this tonight, and just look out. I'm gonna do a look for you tomorrow. I have some things to do, but I'm gonna do a look for you tomorrow. It's gonna be like a get dressed with me, get ready, really, not dress, because you know, but get ready with me video. And I'm just gonna shoot. I'm gonna shoot. Yeah, so I hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel, and just keep up, because this train is moving fast now. It's so much stuff. I'm still gonna do some cooking videos sometime with the baby. He's not a baby anymore. Family time, makeup, hair tutorials, eyebrows. I really want to do some eyebrows. I actually want to teach some eyebrows, but Lord up above, I gotta get these braids done over or do my hair, because this is hard. And I was not gonna do a video because his hair was not done and my face wasn't beat for the guards at the beginning, so I sweated it out. I was supposed to do this video before I started shooting today, but you know, it is what it is. I felt like if I procrastinated any longer, I was not gonna do the video today, and I need to give you guys some content so that you know I'm still here, you know. But like and subscribe to my channel. Right now it's gonna be YouTube Eating Lace for now, but I will be changing that, Lord willing, to Shannon B Ford. But you can find me on Facebook, Shannon B Ford, Instagram, Shannon B Ford, Twitter, Shannon B Ford. All right, guys, peace out.